How do you ensure that nonprofits are strong? Well, it's because of services like the services that are provided through Mosaica. I mean, I think the planning and technical assistance and strategic advice that they have given to organizations that I've been involved with have been invaluable.
What is the next transition? What is the next step? What has to be done in terms of infrastructure to get there, to facilitate it?
I wish that there were other groups that I thought had the quality that Mosaica does. But Mosaica, for me, is really unique in this region and also nationally. I have colleagues around the country that have worked with Mosaica.
Mosaica is really good at looking at the big picture and then figuring out what needs to be delivered.
We didn't actually have to do an entirely new strategic plan. We're doing an update, we're doing an environmental scan of what has changed, who are the new actors in the region, what has changed in terms of the epidemiology, what has changed in terms of who is out there doing the work. But the basic plan, 5 years later, is as strong and as relevant and as appropriate as it was when they did it.
It's one thing to have an outside facilitator who doesn't have any connectivity to the work that you're doing, who is smart and well-informed about best practices in whichever arena you're trying to work. But to have someone who is really has worked with individual foundations in this community and has a strong sense of the community gives Mosaica, for us, a value added.
Mosaica often roots an organization in their community, and they're conscious about that. I mean, the work of the Health Action Forum is rooted in Prince George's County. The work of McClendon Center is rooted in the district, and they're different communities. And Mosaica is very sensitive to that.
Informed, accessible, and flexible.
Committed, community, and smart.
Definitely integrity, definitely competence, and I would say non-judgmental, because Mosaica works with the most diverse group of organizations that I can imagine.